What's up, guys? It's your boy Obo. In this specific video today, I'm gonna basically break down to you guys how to basically make $100 a day writing out articles on Fiverr, Upwork, and other platforms out there that basically you can make money from. Listen, this right here is literally one of the easiest things to possibly do, man. I've tried it and it works perfect, man. And I'm telling you this, you can make a killing online. Because when I break down this video to you guys, be like, damn, this is so easy, but nobody know about this, man. So make sure you stay tuned and watch this video to the end while I basically break down how to make $100 a day writing out blogs and articles for people on Fiverr. Because people always looking for people to write out their content, write out their books, whatever that sort, man. And basically, I'm gonna break down to you guys how to make $100 a day, $100 or more a day writing out blogs and articles. If you don't know how to make a full-time income online, make sure you click the first link in the description. Make sure you click it, and because that's what I'm using. That's what most other entrepreneurs out there are using, man. Just stick with me, man. And of course, if you don't know my channel is basically about making money online, YouTube growth, and of course entrepreneurship. Alright, let's get to this video, guys. Let me show you guys how it's done. Alright, guys, let me show you guys how it is done. So as you can see right now, I'm on Fiverr. Right now on Fiverr, I just look up article writing. You see all these people out there. Let me just click on the most, let me see, best selling. Now some of them, they really charge a lot of money, but guys, look at this, look at this, look at this. About $200, man. $200. This is $5, but you don't want to go for that. I think that's a package. But guys, look at this person right here. This person right here has a good rated. Is that a 3 rated star? I don't care. But look at this, guys. You see, this person has a lot. Look at that. Look at that. Look how much money they're making. And I bet you people, look at how many reviews they have. 87. Most other people, basically. This person is based in Argentina. I don't know, but look at this. Look at this. Look how much money they're making, though. Like, they're making a good amount of money. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, they're making a good amount of money. So what you're gonna do is set up a Fiverr account, and I'm gonna show you guys how to basically make money from writing articles. Now, I came across a tool that basically what it does is rewrite blogs, anything out there that has to do with articles, anything. It basically rewrite them, so you can basically make a ton of blogs, a ton of pages on websites, anything so far. And that's how easy it is to do, man. So let me show you guys what this tool is. So let me open this. Let me open a new tab, and we're gonna find just a random article. We're gonna find. Let's go to Google. Let's just find an article. Make money online. Now, this how easy this is. Make money online. Then we're gonna do is this. Make money online. Now, guys, this tool right here, in my opinion, is one of the fantastic. It's like great, guys. Like, I've used this tool so much. That's how I was able to get most of my work done. Let me show you guys. Okay, so we're gonna find this right here, but we're gonna basically, what we're gonna do is this. We're gonna just take just something that is trending. Like, let me show you guys this video. This video is gonna be too long. This video is gonna be a long video right here, because I'm gonna basically break down to you guys how to do it. But just stick with me, guys. I know what I'm talking about. Alright, so guys, so instead of just looking up any random blog, we're gonna use a tool of mine that actually I like using. So basically, if you wanna basically have a lot of if you wanna have a good ranking, you basically wanna look up blogs on here on BuzzSumo. BuzzSumo is basically like a website that basically tells you what is trending, what are the blogs trending, the blogs that are trending. Now we're gonna look for make money online. Now this right here, in my opinion, is fantastic, because you can look for good blogs, like not any type of blogs, but blogs that have been shared so many times, blogs that are ranking. Make money online. Now this right here, if I search, it's gonna pull up a ton of blogs, but I don't think I have the account for me to basically have a lot. You're just gonna show me like, I think like 40. See right here, look at this, how to make money at home 2018. Now you see this right here, look how many engagement it has, but look how many shares. But I bet you there's some here that has a lot of shares. look at this. This right here is basically what you're gonna go at. You see this right here? Okay, you see this right here? It basically tells you everything. It tells you everything. Look at the shares. Now, this right here is what YouTube like. YouTube like this. YouTube like anything that, I mean, not YouTube, I mean Google likes this. Google like anything that has to do with, see that? That has to do with backlinks. Now, what is a backlink? Backlink is something that refers to another. Oh, this right here is your YouTube video. We don't want to go to YouTube. I want to go to a blog. Okay. So guys, let me show you guys how it's done, guys. Let me go on here, and I think this is actually a website. So I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna show you guys how it's done. Let me open another tab, and this person has a lot of, I think, has a lot of writing. A lot. Wow, look at that. You see that? So basically what I'm gonna do is this. So you see how here the person has so much writing and so much good information here. What we'll do is we're gonna copy this. We're gonna copy this, and we're gonna basically just copy it, and I'm gonna show you guys why. So we're gonna copy this right here, and then we're gonna go to a tool called Spin Rewriter. Now what Spin Rewriter does is basically it rewrites everything. Rewrites. It basically does everything. Now you see right here, what I do is I go to this right here. I go to Spin Rewriter articles. Now what it does is this. See right here, they have a lot of options, as you can see right now. Let me show you guys how it's done. Like this is so easy. So what you gotta do is just paste that. Now once you paste that, now you can do a setting where you basically put in keywords you don't want basically to get rewrite. Now what it does is basically, it's not gonna like basically take them out. It's gonna put them in the video. Yeah, I mean in the blog. So it's not gonna take out. But I don't want that. I'm just gonna show you guys how it works. You guys get this tool, you guys be like, damn, this tool is so easy. Now you see right here, I'm gonna click on rewrite multiple articles. Now what it's doing right now is rewriting this article. Now this article is gonna look like brand new. It's not gonna look no plagiarism. You know, basically it's brand new. Everything is changed. Literally all the words, everything. Now look at it right here. It's right here. Today's the 17th. See right here. And I've been using this tool for a while now, and it's great. I love this tool, man. It makes my work so much easier. Now look at this right here. You gotta click. It tells you right here about 90% of that blog is basically different from the original one. Now, let me show you guys how it looks. See this right here? Boom, boom, boom. Now you can compare to the original one. You see how different there is. This is far. This is much among. You see this? You see how this right here? This is a spin writer. This is like the spin writer that was basically spit. This is the one that was spit. It's so different from this right here. Now you guys get the point. I just basically spin the article. Now you can do this for anything out there. Losing weight. Just think about how much money you can make from writing blogs for people out there that basically just need blogs and anything that has to do with content, because people are always dying for content out there. People want writers. People want bloggers. You can even go to text broker and make good amount of money writing articles, and they get paid. Now let me show you guys how easy this is too. Go to Google, look up text broker. Text broker, they pay you to write our articles. You can use that tool to basically write as many articles as you want. Guys, you are basically leaving money on the table, guys. This is right here is one of the fantastic tools to basically make a killing online. Because why? It's basically easy as that. See right here? Now, let me show you guys. Look at this. It's basically a writing service. A writing service. You're getting basically free, easy money online using that tool I just provide to you guys. Now listen, man. In my opinion, I feel like when it comes to writing articles online, there's always a high demand. This right here. All you gotta do is, I want to be a writer. Payment. Look at that. Boom. Get started. You basically earn money writing, man. It's basically easy as that. You can use that tool to basically write as many articles as you want and basically get paid. And because listen, we use that tool. What it does is basically it's gonna give you a higher chance of basically getting paid big bucks. Because why? All those articles you're basically spinning, those are articles that have a lot of shares. So you basically want to basically get this tool and basically dominate, man. Listen, if you're getting great value from this video, make sure you click that subscribe button right now. Tap that subscribe button right now. Go at it, man. Just tap it, man. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was tell. I'm just waking up from a nap, very tired, but let me just get on here and just get some great value, man. Till next time, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. And hold on, before you click out of this video, Make sure you click the first link in the description to check out how to make a full-time income online. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Adios, chelitos. Bye bye. Bye.